number 6 wants us to find the horizontal and vertical asymptotes. To find the vertical asymptote, we need to set the denominator equal to 0. So x minus 1 is equal to 0, and if I move that over, I get x is equal to 1. So this will be my vertical asymptote. So again, just you don't need to put this, but for your own information, this is a vertical line. That's going to be a boundary in the function. Okay, so let's get the horizontal asymptote. And to do that, you want to compare the degree of the numerator and the denominator. So the numerator has a higher degree. Therefore, there is no horizontal asymptote. So no horizontal asymptote, and we have a vertical asymptote of 1. Okay, let's move on to number 7. Same directions. So for the vertical asymptote, I want to set the denominator equal to 0. So 2x squared plus x minus 1. And I'm going to set it equal to 0. So I do want to factor this. I'll use the AC method. So a times c is negative 2. That's the 2 times the negative 1. B is 1. So I need two numbers that multiply to be negative 2, but add to be 1. And that'll be 2 and negative 1. So that tells me how to split up my middle term here. So I'm going to have plus 2x and minus 1x. And then I can do factor by grouping. So take the 2x out, and I have x plus 1. And then minus 1, and I have x plus 1. So then if I finish the factor by grouping, this is what I have. I guess technically these are all equal to 0 here. So if I solve this, I get x is equal to negative 1, and x is equal to 1/2. So these are, again, you don't need to put this, but these are vertical lines. Okay, and then for the horizontal asymptote, we want to compare the degree. So if you look at it, these both have a degree 2. So because they are the same, it means that it's the ratio of leading coefficients. Again, there's 3 cases. It's either the numerator's higher, or the numerator's lower, or they're the same. So because it's a ratio, we go y is equal to, and the leading coefficients are the 6 and the 2. So this is equal to 6 over 2, or 3. So y is equal to 3 would be our horizontal asymptote. And again, this is a horizontal line. I'm just labeling this just to remind myself it's not a point, it's a line. But again, you don't need to label that.